Okay, in this video we're going to be looking at finding the highest common factor of two numbers, but we're using the list method. So this is more targeted towards year 7 level. So firstly we've got the numbers 42 and 56. So systematically we wanted to get all the factor pairs. So we will always start with 1 and we'll build our way down to 1 times 42, 2 times 21. Does 3 go into it? Yes it does, and that would be 14. 4 doesn't go into it because we know 4 times 10 is 14 and 2 wouldn't work. 5 doesn't, 6 does. 6 times 7, and we can see here which is 6 times 7, we can't go 7 times something because we've already got it here. So we can now see that's then 1, 2, 3, 6, and it loops back round. So our factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. And same 56, 1 times 56, 2 times 28. Does 3 go into it? No, and we can always check that. We know 3 goes into 60, so it goes into 57, so it doesn't go into 56. Let's just get rid of that. 4 does. Again, we know 4 goes into 60 because 4 times 15, so go back 1 and be 56 minus 4. So 4 times 9, no, 19, where am I getting that from? 4 times 14. And then what else do we have? 5 doesn't, 6 doesn't, 7 does. So there we are. And now we just loop back round. So 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28, 56. So let's just check what's common between them. Well, we've got 1 and 1. We've got 2 and 2. We have 7 and 7. And we have 14 and 14. Any more? Nope. So that's our common factors here. So what's our highest of these common factors? Answer is 14. And there we are. Okay, next one. 80 and 280. Well, let's just go through this in the same method. 1 times 80. 2 times 40. 3 doesn't go into it. 4 times 20. 5 does. That'd be 5 times 16. 6 doesn't. 7 doesn't. 8 does. And we can see that these numbers are getting very close together. I'm matching a number timeline. So we've got 8 here, 10 here. Well, 9 is the last one left. 9, well, 9 times 9 is 81, so no. 9 doesn't, so that there are our factors. Okay, let's get rid of that. 280, well, 1 times 280. 2 times 140. 3, well, 3 doesn't go into it on first instinct. Yeah, doesn't go into it. I'm thinking of 28, that's my first instinct. I know 3 goes into 27. Because 3 times 9, but 228 doesn't, therefore it's not going to go into 280 because 280 is a multiple. Right, 4 times table, 4 times 70. 5 times table, yes it does, because 280 is it's a multiple of 10, so therefore it has to be in the 5 times table. 5 times 56. And then we've got 280. Does it go into the 6 times table? No, I am using a calculator now, so please do feel you may use a calculator. 7 times 40, yep, that's the same as 7 times 4, which is 28, and then times it by 10, and so on. Right, 280, does it go into 8 times table? Yes, it does, because we can see here, there's 4, we double it and half this, it would get us the same multiplication, or same answer, I should say. 280. Right, 9 times table, it does not. 10 times table, yes it does, definitely. 10 times 28. 11, not from instinct, no. 12, does it go? No. 13, definitely not. 280 divided by 14, yes it does. 14 multiplied by 20. Now we're getting close to finding the middle ground here. 280, does it go in the 15 times table? No. 16, no. 17, no. 17, 18, no. And 280, 19, no. So there we are. Those are factors. Okay, I'm not going to list them out this time. Let's just find the common ones. And what do we have? We've got 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 4, 5, 5. We have 8, 8, 10, 10. We've got 20, 20, 40, 40. There we are. Common is 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40. And highest common factor equals 40. There we are. Okay, lovely. Let's move on. Okay, we've got 3 numbers now. Same concept as always. These are smaller numbers, so won't stretch your mental maths abilities too much to their limits. I'm gonna write 27. Well, let's just keep doing the same system. 1 times 27. It's not an even number, so it's not 2. 3 times 9. Anything else? I think that's it. Yeah. So there we are. Factors are 1, 3, 9, and 27. If you remember from a previous lesson, my class, who hopefully is watching this, the prime factors of this 27 would be 3. Okay, 33. 1 times 33. 2, nope. 3 times 11, and that's it. So the factors are 1, 3, 11, and 33. And the 18, 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6, and I believe that's it. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Right, what do they have in common? Well, they have in common 1 and 3. Anything else? Nope, can't see. Highest common factor equals 3. There we are. Right, we do one more. Large numbers. Right, straight away. What I can notice is this 75 goes into 150. I want to show you how we can do it a bit quicker mentally. So therefore, the highest common factor of 75 and 150 equals 75. So now we can kind of almost ignore this 150 because anything the 75 goes into will go into the 150. So we can just add in the factor pairs. So 75, we've got 1 times 75. We have 3 times 25. We have 5 multiplied by 15. 6, no. 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. 10. I think that's it. I believe that's all. I can't see anything else. Otherwise we loop back round. So 1, 3, 5, 15, 25, 75. 150 is going to be the same as all of these factor pairs, but we're going to add in 1 times 150, 2 times 75, and now we've got all the same ones. 3 times 50, everything's just double, and 5 times 30. So I believe that's everything there. Can I see any more? Yes, I can. 10 times 15. I think that's everything. Okay, let me move this up. Oops, no. And then we're going to have factor pairs are 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 15, 30, 50, 75, and 150. Squeezing that in there. And lastly 200. 1 times 200. 2 times 100. 4 times 50. 5 multiplied by 40. 6 no, 7 no, 8 yes. 8 times 25. 9 no, 10 yes. 11 no, 12 no. 15 no, and I believe that's all of them. Yeah, I think that's all of them. I can see. I change colour. 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 25, 40, 50, 100 and 200. Okay, highest common factor. Well, let's just circle these common ones. 1. I'll underline them easier. 1, 1, 1. We got 3 and 3, but no 3 in the 200. We got 5 in both. 15, 25. They both have a 25. I've missed one on the 150. 150 divided by 25. I've missed one. Shocking for your math teacher. 625. There's a 25, there's a 25, there's a 25. Is there anything else? No. So highest, that's a little embarrassing, but then showing you, spotting the mistake. So it's important to go through your work. That's all of them. Okay, highest common factor is 25. And we'll leave it there.